Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you the exact steps in order to fix your Apple TV stuck on Apple logo in 2026. Now, if your Apple TV is stuck on the logo, the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply unplug it from the power. So after unplugging it, simply wait for 30 seconds and then you just have to plug it back in. Sometimes a simple restart is going to clear the temporary system errors, and it is also going to fix this particular error that you are seeing. Now, sometimes a loose or faulty HDMI cable can also cause the display issues that look like a freeze. So you need to first of all connect or reconnect the HDMI cable or try a different port on your TV. If possible, you can test it with another cable. Even after doing this step, the issue still continues, then the problem may be software related. So in order to fix that, simply press and hold the back or the menu button and the TV button together until the Apple TV restarts. This forces a reboot without unplugging. Now you can also connect your Apple TV to computer using a cable. Open Finder or iTunes and select your Apple TV. Then choose the option of restore or to reinstall the system software. This also fixes the deeper software issues that are causing the freeze. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Apple TV is working again properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.